Hi friends, today I'll be unboxing the Lego Disney Ariel's Storybook Adventures. This is for ages 5+ and it has 105 pieces. And in here, if we look, it comes with this gem thing, a crab, the fish, Ariel, and I forgot who this character is. We'll maybe see the name somewhere here. And here's what the side looks like, and this is the back. So it shows the series. There is one for every princess, I think, for some princesses. And this is the Ariel one, as you can see. So what it looks like. The inside can close like this. And if you look, the fish is in the pearl box. So here, let's just see this from the inside. I'm so excited. So as you can see, let's get all the parts out. So those are all the parts that come in the box. As you can see, this is the bag of bricks. This is the instructions. This is another bag of bricks. Some stickers. And this is for the book. So as you can see, these 3 pieces are for the book. So these are all book pieces. And lastly, we have some more stickers. Let's get started. So first, I'm going to just move my things aside and let's read the instructions to see the first step. I honestly thought this was an instruction book, but it opens up like this. So first, we're going to have to open a bag. So I'm guessing it is this bag. Because it is not written down which bag you need. So I'm just going to dump it out here, hoping that it won't fall. And so as you can see, you're going to grab your book piece, this one. Going to stick piece on. I don't think it's this actually. Now I'm realizing that's so confusing. So I think it is the other bag. So let's try the other bag if the pieces are in this. So yes, we found the pieces. It is this and this. Here, I'll just move these parts aside. So as you can see, we grab these book piece. We put this blue platform on. This blue platform. Like this. Then we stick the white thing on. So let me just build. Okay, so as you can see, I'm finished building the set, and now I'm going to show you the inside and the outside of the set. So let's see. So as you can see, the front cover is this beautiful piece. I think it's a tile, and it has a shadow of Ariel on it, and I think it is really cool. And I also added some flowers and for decoration on the corners. And then we look at the side. So as you can see on the side, there is a sticker with a shadow of Ariel's face. Let's see the other side. So for the other side, there is this name label, and I haven't written my name yet. And then I just added some flowers for decoration, and there is this gold piece. And this is the lock. So the lock can open and close. This white part sometimes gets stuck, and that shouldn't happen. So it's supposed to open like this and close. Let's open it up and see what's inside. As you can see, it opens up to a full magical world. So as you can see, sometimes if you don't fold it right, it will break. So you just need to be a bit careful about that. But I can connect it. You can connect it again. And let's take a look. So let's see, take a look at the minifigures. So these are the minifigures. There is Ariel in her normal clothes. There is Ariel in a pink dress. And there is another character which I'm really not sure about. So now let's see the next items. So there's also this boat with a heart crystal. If you can see it. And then if we remove these minifigs away, then we're going to open the slide. And Ariel in her normal clothes, which is fun, playful Ariel, who's smiling and happy, can stand here and she can read musical notes, or she can slide down into the water and play and have fun. And I added some stickers. So there's a jellyfish, fish, some shell, there's a pearl, and a lot of other stuff. So here, Ariel can also stand on the coral, which is in the middle, if you guys can see. And if we look closer more onto this building in the middle, there is a pearl, which opens up to a fish. Now, there was no pearl with this. This is just like this. It can open and close, and it's a shell. Sorry, it just broke. So let me just put that in place. And then we have the slide right here with this item, this weapon. And like I'm guessing it's weapon. I'm not sure what it is. And then there's these musical notes. And if we lift the slide up, we can lift it up first when we close our book. And there's just some little flowers and items down here, which I think look pretty cool. Then there's this flower. If you can see, it's really tiny. And if we look at Ariel, there's a hole on her head. This flower can go there. So she can wear the flower on her head. And then if we take it off, there's also a hole on the side where we can attach it. So Ariel can wear the flower in her hair, and it's really beautiful. So right under the shell, there is this cool tunnel where Ariel can stand. You know, if she wants to look at the flowers. Then there is this coral right over here. And there's this statue, which is made out of a gray minifig head and hair. And then there's just some flowers. So that's this side. Let's look at the other side. This is the other side, if you can see. Instead of water, there is sand, so it's a beach here. And there is footprints, there's a bottle with something written in it, and then there is a bucket and a shovel for sand, and there's a seashell. And here there is a boat just right by the coast. So this character is standing here, it can stand. And on this side is the back. So if we look on the back of where our slide is, there's this little glass. We can zoom in, which we can't. And it's like an indoor area, so from the other side you can get in. So that's the other side, and that's the full tour of this set. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hope you like this video. And don't forget to share this if you enjoyed this. Do subscribe if you want to see more Lego set unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye.